Welcome to video 3. In this video, we're going to show how to read the CSV cluster file into a statistical package, in this case Minitab. So we're going to begin by opening up the Minitab program. And under File with Minitab, we're going to hit Open. And now we're going to look for the 911 file. It happens to be in a convenient place, and we are then going to look for the CSV frequency cluster file. We click that, and we click Open, and voila, all of our data is now in Minitab, a statistical package. These are the cluster variables, the columns of the cluster variables, and this first column are the names of the texts, each text in the reporting, both pre and post 9/11. So we'll stop here, and the next thing to do is we're going to start running statistics, namely factor analysis, to see if we can find some larger structure across all these texts.